Hello student, now we will do exercise. In exercise, question first is select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Plot, water, crop, nutrients and preparation. A. The same kind of plants growth and cultivate in a large scale at place is called crop. B. The first step before growing crop is preparation of the soil. C. Damaged seeds would float on top of water. D. The growing a crop sufficient sunlight and water and nutrients from the soil are essential. Second is match items in column A with those in column B. Kharif crops, examples are paddy and maize. Rabi crops, example wheat, gram, pea. Chemical fertilizers, urea and super phosphate. Organic manure, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Question third, give two examples of each. A. Kharif crops. The two examples of kharif crop is paddy and maize. B. Rabi crops. Rabi crops, the example is wheat and gram. Write a paragraph in your own word on each of the following. A. Preparation of soil. The answer is, open the page number. In page number 2, the point 1.3 preparation of soil. Mark this paragraph. The preparation of soil in the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil. The loosened soil allows the root to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. This is the first point of question 4. Answer 4. Preparation of soil. The second point is showing. The answer is in point 1.4 sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds of a good variety. These are closed. And the next line is the tool used traditionally for sowing seeds, it's shaped like a funnel. And the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractor. These 3 points are included in the point showing. The next is weeding. Open the page number 10. The point is protection from weeds. The next para, in a field many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. This is the third point, include weeding. The next point is threshing. In point 1.8, the second para in 4th line. In harvested crops, the grain seed need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a combine harvester and a thresher. Question 5. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. The answer is in page number 7, table 1.1, difference between fertilizers and manure. These are the answers. These are the difference between fertilizers and manures. Question 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. In point 1.6, the second paragraph, the supply of water to crop at different intervals is called irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. The next, the types of methods which conserve water. First method is sprinkler system and second is drip system. In a sprinkler system, you note that this system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzle on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. And the drip system, in this system the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots, so it is called drip system. It is best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. The system provide water and plants drop by drop. Question 7. In wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Describe. Wheat को खरीफ The answer is wheat crop is sown from November, December to March, April. It is grown in winter and requires less water. If wheat is sown in Kharif season, its production will be decreased considerably. The next, explain how soil gets affected by continuous plantation of crops in a field. The answer is continuous plantation of crops makes the soil poorer in certain nutrients. As the crop take up nutrients from the soil becomes infertile. It does not get enough time to replenish the nutrients. Question 9. What are weeds? How can we control them? The answer is in point 1.7, the second paragraph. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. And the control, farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Tilling before sowing of crops help in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with soil. The next point is add. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. These are sprayed in the field to kill the weed. This is the answer 9. Next, arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugar cane crop production. The first point is preparation of soil. Second is plugging the field. The third point is sowing. Fourth point is manuring. Fifth point is irrigation. Sixth point is harvesting. And seventh point is sending crop to sugar factories. Next, complete the following words puzzles with the help of clues given below. Down. First, providing water to the crop. Down. Irrigation. 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 The second, keeping crop grains for a long time under proper condition. Second, storage. Third, certain plants of same kind grown on a large scale. Answer is crop. Across, a machine used for cutting the matured crop. Harvester. A rabi crops, that is also one of the pulses. Gram. A process of separating the grains from chaff. Chaff. Winnowing. A process of separating the grains from chaff. This is winnowing.